Um, yeah, accepted naman. So, ngayong game, we just need to move on. So, pag-aaral namin yung game, ngayong game 1. So, wala naman dapat sisihin. So, we just need to move forward and to learn from this game. Yun nga, pinakita ni Kuya Jason kung sino talaga yung Jason Castro na iniidolo ko hanggang ngayon. Nakita nyo naman paano ako atakin kanina. So, yun lang. Sabi ko lang kanina, kailangan ko lang ding basahin or panoorin yung viewings and then learn from it, and then hats up kay Kuya Jason, sobrang galing talaga, sobrang bilis.
Idea about,
Yeah.
about yung entering this game, kumusta naman yung may kababa or just a regular game for you, or kumusta yung
Wala naman, siguro we just came out flat, not just me, siguro pati nga yung team, kaya rin kami nag-bad start nung first quarter, but for us naman, sa huddle and then sa dugout, we feel na nandun pa rin yung intensity for the next game, so we're looking forward for that. And basketball lang, may manatalo, may mananalo. Yung pacing, yung bagal bilis niya, saka paano niya nagagawa yun sa age niya. So for me, marami pang kakaining bigas. Yun lang, marami pang kulang, pero nakikita ko naman yung Jason Castro na kailangan higitan or kailangan tapatan ng isang RJ. So sobrang thankful ako na nakalaban ko siya dito pa sa finals. So game 2, bawi kami. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.